Hello, everyone. My name is Olafakomi. I'm on the Triviabase team, and today I'm going to be doing a quick, simple explanation on what Triviabase is about. We are a bunch of four guys who got curious about what interesting thing we could build in the Web3 space using the tools that we had at hand. And in the process of that learning and that exploration, realized that at the core of any Web3 space or any gathering of people whatsoever, community is crucial, right? And the only thing that has pushed the growth of Web3 so far to the level that it is the way communities are able to thrive and positively interact with each other. So we decided to find a way to contribute to that, improve how communities interact, also find a way to bring more people on chain. And it is in the exploration of these possibilities that we came about building Triviabase. Triviabase is a Web3 Q&A platform that allows hosts to set a bunch of questions depending on specific topics that they want their community members to be acquainted with or learn about. And then participants get to um, come on chain or just join the contest and answer these questions, learn a couple of things in the process. And at the end, we also implemented a reward system where participants can be incentivized for both participating and also acquiring knowledge. And so far, we've had some success and it's been an interesting journey. And I would like to do a quick run through on what that journey has been like. So yeah, very quickly, so far we've been able to build a web app version of the Q&A platform, and we've had we currently have a free mode that allows people to test and enjoy the platform even without staking a reward. We also have a paid mode which allows people to stake rewards and reward their participants however they want. And we've also implemented an AI feature that allows users to easily set questions, because now in the evolution of the product we realized that that's one pain point we could address faster if people are able to set questions faster. um all these things I'm saying might kind of remind you of Kahoot, but I've also been able to mention two key things that we do better than Kahoot. We allow our participants and our hosts to be able to reward their communities, and we also allow questions to be set much faster on the platform. So far, we've been able to engage with 200 plus communities across Africa. We've also been able to engage about over 3,000 players. We've been able to distribute over 1,200 USDC in rewards, and in total, we've hosted about 500 plus games on the platform. And this is a mix of both virtual and physical events, as you can see in some of these pictures illustrated here. And we've also been able to host spaces by ourselves just to get people acquainted with the platform and also bring them in on the gist of what the whole platform is about. Right now, we are building Tribe, which is a web app version, like an upgrade to what Triviabase has done and the achievement of Triviabase has been able to meet so far. We are looking to give individual users the capabilities to start tournaments or a platform like Farcaster, where they can then share the tournament, and their immediate community members or immediate followers can participate in the game across a period of time. What this allows, the difference between this and Trivial Base is that participants can also come on board and add and increase the liquidity pool of each quiz. And at the end of the contest, a a select few top winners, as directed by the host, would get the reward. And then it's that the idea behind that is to improve the interactivity and make it much more fun for individuals and not just communities.
Thank you, Ola. Thank you for that. Hi, everyone. My name is Farid. I'm a developer, co-founder of Triviabase, and I will be talking on the platform architecture we use and also demoing our platform. So we made use of Next.js for the UI, that's the front end, EtherJS for the backend transaction, Firebase, to store the data, the question, and also to keep the real-time data in check. We hosted on Vercel, Solidity, for the smart contract, Third Web. Okay, about Third Web, we were using on-chain kits earlier on, but we started getting issues from like people we are onboarding. Like our most events in Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So I get feedback like, oh, they have to install VPN. No, like they're always like, their normies when they start hearing like VPN and all of that techie stuff, any technical stuff like that, they don't want to do it. And our internet service provider kind of like ban anything crypto related. So that is why we went to just use Third Web because Third Web was not banned, and yeah, so Third Web work okay. It's a seamless with newbies. I mean, they could literally just connect their Google account and they get like a new wallet instantly. I would prefer the smart wallet. Honestly, it is way more safe because like connecting their Google account, they could literally get like their private key from there, and that is not really, that is not really a good way to go about it. But yeah. So I think the ban might be lifted around Q3 to Q4. Well, hopefully, honestly, so we can go back to on-chain kits. About what Ola said about Tribe the Fun, the Fakasta feature coming up soon. Yeah, it is like a banger. It's a banger. It's a whole like new game entirely for our platform, and it will be like a banger on Fakasta itself. So let me demo Trivia Base. Let me demo Trivia Base. Let's play this thing. You come here. So let's get started. I'm the host. I'm asking a question. Let's say I'm playing for rewards. I want to reward my participant. Okay, I've said this question before. I just auto generate it and it's saved to my local session. So let's say I want to like check about like general knowledge on Ethereum. That is, for beginner level. So let's generate this. Why I generate this because I didn't even know the question to set. So AI just come in place for me. So yeah, cool. Uh, so let me just reduce this to just two question only. So no as to waste time. Probably one question though. Cool. Let me just use two. Save. Oh my bad. I'm supposed to connect my wallet. Connect wallet. Let me use MetaMask for now. Okay, cool. Save. Let's go. Hey, let me enter my mail. Let me just say Farid at tribe the tribe the fun. Yeah, tribe.fun.com. Yeah, manifesting. Okay, cool. Let me just use one USDC. Yeah, just yeah, just for test. Okay, let's go. All right. So pop up. I don't know if you can see my window, but I see a little pop up from MetaMask. I'm using MetaMask for now. Okay, that's one USDC. Confirm the transaction. Waiting for transfer. There's a pop up, but I'm not showing that window for some particular reason. Yeah. So all I do is confirm the transaction, and that is it. Like, so after the transaction is confirmed, you will be taken to the dashboard, the queue where you get the code dashboard. Okay. Oops. I'm not supposed to open this. Okay. View waiting room. All right. Let me share the code to the chat. Let me share the code to my friends so they can join and play the game with me. What is Ethereum? Who's the co-founder of Ethereum? I mean, who's the founder of Ethereum? Okay. Let me share that to the chat. 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 We got three players now. So let's go. We have Sam, we have Clement, we have Clemmy. Shit. Let's start. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I've started, bro. I think you can see that on your screen. You can also share your screen on the call so I can, add it here. Zero. That's crazy. Yeah. You guys go zero. That's bad. Okay. Who's the founder of Ethereum? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, Clement got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think Sam is having a little bit of issue there. So yeah. Let's go to leaderboard. This is where the reward is being sent to the winners. So yeah. Okay. We got Clement coming in with 122 points, Clemmy coming with 108 points, and Sam coming with 0 points. Okay, let's verify distribution. Okay. Yeah. So this is for Clems, the guy, Clement, Clemmy, and Sam. So this is the first person 0.48, second person 0.29, third person 0.19, and this person right here is the house. That is the percentage we get for every reward staked on the platform. So this is how Triviabase work. So thank you very much.